was poached by the central bank. So this is what is happening, and I think SRC needs to be told that they should be a little bit lenient to Eacc. With your kind permission, Your Excellency, I request you to hand over the title deeds and checks of the recovered assets.
Your Excellency, sir, with your kind indulgence and gracious permission, permit me now to invite the Chief Executive Officer of the Eacc, accompanied by the Chair, to facilitate the handover. Sir, permit me now to invite Your Excellency to take your place at the arena for the handover of the recovered assets back to state through various public institutions. Sir, the first beneficiary is the National Treasury. I now invite the Honorable CPA John Bundy, GH, Cabinet Secretary for the National Treasury and Economic Planning.
Your Excellency, this title is for specifically judiciary, but all government titles are under the Treasury Secretary. Yes. So maybe may I request to have the registrar of... Yes. All go under his custody. Very good. Yes. John? Chief Registrar. Yeah. Now you have part of the title.
Yeah, you may kindly take the seats, but I'll ask the Chief Registrar to remain standing.
Your Excellency.
Your Excellency, sir, the next beneficiary is the State Law Office. Permit me to now, sir, invite Dorcas to draw EBS National.
Your Excellency, this is the plot at Kilimani, next to Upper Hill Medical Center. Okay.
Your Excellency, sir, I now invite Mr. Gilbert Langat, MBS, OGH, Deputy Inspector General National Police Service, on behalf of the National Police Service. I also invite Honorable Dr. Jonathan B. EGH, Governor of Singisi County.
Your Excellency, these are three titles belonging to the Kenya Police for Eldoret.
And Cabinet Secretary, National Treasury, you can join and be standing until we handle all the titles. I now invite Honorable Susan Kihika, EGH, Governor of Guru County.
Your Excellency, this is a plot within Nakuru municipal town, which belongs to the county government. Yes. Yes.
I now invite Mr. Charles Ringa, CBS, Principal Secretary, State Department for Housing and National Development.
Your Excellency, these are 13 titles for different places within the country that belongs to the National Housing.
I now invite Mr. Samson P. Wabuzi, ODW, Principal Executive Secretary of the National Treasury.
Very good. Very good.
Just a minute. The Fed amount, Your Excellency, is 361,395,356.55 cents. Thank you, sir.
I now invite Mr. Jeffrey Kabate, Chairman, Board of Trustees, Kenya Ports Authority Retirement Benefit Scheme.
Your Excellency, this is 79,292,871.25 cents.
I now invite Mr. Edwin Bett, Chairman, Kenya Medical Research Institute, Cambridge Retirement Benefit Scheme.
Your Excellency, this one is 70,677,700 shillings. Your Excellency, we have 15 titles for Eacc County. The governor has apologized, he was not able to attend, and we shall pass them to the Eacc County. These are 15 parcels of land. Your Excellency, we are done.
The CEO, and Chairman, you may come to retreat. Your Excellency, sir, it is now my distinguished honor and high privilege to invite you, sir, to deliver your keynote address as we mark this convention in the work against corruption. I thank you, Your Excellency.
Thank you very much. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to you all as we witness the handover of assets that were corruptly acquired now being returned to public entities and county governments. This event marks a significant milestone in our nation's fight against corruption. The efforts made and the progress achieved in promoting good governance are undeniable and highly commendable. The government remains resolute in eliminating opportunities for corruption and abuse of office, and in ensuring that the corrupt do not enjoy the proceeds of their illicit actions. I recognize that good governance is a key factor in the success of the bottom-up economic transformation agenda.